I like the way historian Daniel Okren puts it. Americans drank like fish. And so you don't see much, but you do see little private calls for like, hey, just this is an issue. We need to stop doing it. Then you get from 1830s to about the 1890s, you start to see a shift. Women in particular played a very strong role here. Men, the social ills were becoming more prominent and take their paycheck, and they get it on Friday, and then they spend it all away by Sunday at the saloon, leaving nothing for their wife and children. You start to see domestic abuse issues and stuff. And so you start to see temperance still not prohibition, just calls for less. You do start to see a shift in more thinking that temperance means abstinence. But it's still all private sphere. You do have mostly what you're getting is private protests, lots of things like sit-ins and things.